Yo, 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 what's up, Nick? It is Lifted, and we are doing a pack opening video, and we are lit. The room is trashed, the setup is trashed, I'm trashed, the packs will be trashed. And, yeah, just prepared the gaming chair. The lady will be in here momentarily for the experience, the Lifted experience, the packs, the life, YOLO. Okay, so we've been getting a little fucky with these pack openings. So we don't know what we're doing. Ah! We don't know what the fuck's going on these days. But these pack openings are getting a lot more fun every time. Stop sticking on my bubble wrap! I was gonna use that shit. So if you guys have watched any of the pack openings, we for whatever reason forgot to do the Grookey tins. I bought a extra Cinder Ace tin individually. What she put something down my shirt. Oh, that's my phone. That's her phone. Okay. So yeah, so I bought an extra Cinder Ace tin, but apparently we needed the Grookey ones. So stop licking me, jeez. Save that for afterwards. They don't need to be a part of that. Okay. So, I'll open 4, you'll open 4. Stop stepping on the bubble wrap.
It's everywhere.
I
You
know.
can't not step on it.
Okay, so we can open Burning Shadows. Okay. A Raichu EX Evo. Oh, we got 5 packs per tin, bro.
Drank so much pink lemonade.
We had pink lemonade mixed with pink lemonade
I
vodka.
feel like I'm drowning in a pink ocean. Like, I can't right now. I'm like about to puke on these packs.
Let me crack open the other one. Okay, we'll potentially save the Evolutions packs. But, you know, let's see how everything goes leading into it. Because if we pull a bunch of fire and then we have the Evolutions packs left over, I might save those for the sake of getting graded if we have the Charizard artwork now. So, fingers crossed for some good shit. Okay, so Sword and Shield, Cosmic Eclipse. Oh, damn. Okay. So we got the Venusaur pack art. Alright. So we got 10 packs. I'll open 5, and then Jojo-kun will open 5. So I think I'll open all 4 to the Sword and Shield. If I can pull the $100 Zacian card, that'd be great. Joey, where'd you go? Joey! We lost one, fellas. She abandoned ship. If I pull some heat and she's not here, that... Oh, okay, well, we're not pulling shit in this pack. So I'll just fan through it. Alright, so we got a Pinkerton. Pretty butt, but, you know. Alright. Moving along. Sword and Shield. Come on. Come on. You can do this. Alcoholic pack opening. Alright. Joey, where'd you go? Are you okay? Alright. Oh, I don't know what's going on. I think she's like disappeared. I have yet to do a guess the energy, so Leonhardt, I have failed you. I thought I saw a white code card, but you know, we did get a... She went to the bathroom? Are you kidding me, bro? We ain't got time for that. We're opening packs, bro. Come on. Okay. We're getting a little bit of garbage here. So hopefully something will work for us. I need at least one full art to pay for $40 in tins, 2 $20 tins. So if she pulls the $1,000 Charizard in that Burning Shadows pack, I forget to do it every time. Oh my god. But yeah, alright. Yeah, okay. Chin Chow, we got a Krabby, we got a Mincino. Where the hell did she go? And a Rangaroo. That's a pretty crazy looking Rangaroo. Almost as ugly as the... Oh, we got a Pseudo-Wudo and I didn't realize it? Bro, yes. I need that shiny Pseudo-Wudo in Pokemon Go, y'all. So if you guys got that shit and you cheat and you spoof, teleport to me and I'll give you something dank for it, I swear. I'll make it worthwhile. Just give me the shiny Pseudo-Wudo in Pokemon Go. I need it. I need some of that in my life. That and also the shiny Railu and Lucario. I need that. Oh, finally. Another white code card. We have the last chance at the Zacian, and I am going to guess the Energy, and it's going to be Psychic. Oh! Yes! Joey wasn't here to experience this, so maybe I'll have to slow down. Slow motion, but we're already 6 minutes in. Oh, I don't know about this, bros. Oh, I'm seeing some stuff. Is Joey entering the scene? Joey, where'd you go? Joey, I'm about to get something. Get over here. Oh, okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, we got a full art, but it's a stupid anchor. Who gives a shit? I hate these Pokemon from Sword and Shield. If the texture pattern was like weird, then I probably wouldn't have been that interested. But that's pretty decent. Do I actually put a good sleeve on it? Yeah, I'll put a perfect fit sleeve on it, because I mean, for the full arts, at least those might potentially be worth grading. And she is losing it. Oh my god. Joey, you're gonna have to like rewatch these alcoholic videos because you're insane. So we got something.
Oh, that's the goal.
So we got something. And now Joey's got 2 attempts to pull the hyper rare Charizard, two more attempts to pull that. Oh, I got one more pack. Wait a sec. So, what are you trying to do to me? Okay. Okay, Joey's missing a chromosome, but it's understandable. I don't know which pack I want to open. There's Charizards in all these packs now. Okay. I am opening the Ho-Oh pack art. You know, it's probably for the best that I open the Burning Shadows, because if this Psycho tries to pick up the packs and pulls a $1,000 card, she's probably going to, like, damage it in some way or form. Way, shape, or form. Okay. We got... Why did I do that? Okay, so we got shit. So... Grimer, Solrock. I don't know, it felt like a thick pack. I don't know. I tried to weigh the Hidden Fates packs, but it was really hard and I didn't get any results. So, Jojo, you got 2 evolutions, 2 Cosmic Eclipse, and a Burning Shadows. See what you can do for the Familia.
Okay.
Okay, Jojo.
Jojo.
Okay.
No, give it back!
Oh my god, okay. Okay. Gather your chromosomes. Gather your chromosomes.
He's trying to take my feather from me. Okay. Here you go.
She was trying to tickle me with the fucking feather, guys. I don't know where the fuck that came from, but she just did something.
Remember that saying people used to be like, up your butt and around the corner?
Through the tube and out your boob? Okay. And guess the energy chromosome. Energy. No, it's gonna be water.
Let's go with a fairy, because I feel uber kawaii right now. Oh, there's no fairy.
Wait, there is actually, yeah. Okay,
It's electric. Okay.
Alternate art,
Heracross.
Giratina, and all that
Rapid,
shit
a Throat,
would be
A
great.
Zooklet. Helioptile. A Cosmog. How cute. Look at you, you little storm cloud. A Slugma. And then one of those.
And she got some hollow poo-poo.
Hollow poo-poo.
Alright. And let's see what she can do in this one. We're at the 9-minute mark, folks, so we gotta get this going, bruh.
At like the 10-minute mark, but yeah.
Okay, you're right.
You're right.
The viewers would be quite disappointed if I cut this one up again, but you know, We're doing good. It's gonna be fire type energy because this will be a good pack.
This is a fire. Oh no.
Okay.
Lana Del Rey. Tropius. Oh, look at this little
Togedemaru!
Teddy
Teddy
Ursa.
Ursa.
Leo. Flabébé. Steel. Crab Brawler.
And another hollow poo poo. Okay.
Hollow Poo-Poo.
Evolutions. If she got the reverse hollow Charizard, okay. She got the reverse hollow Charizard the last time we opened the set. So, if she can, okay, well, she's not, and she can't even get the reverse again, but, I mean, shit, I don't know. Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Trio. Another trainer. Worm.
Hollow Blastoise, maybe? Is that reverse hollow Blastoise? Oh, it's a Staryu.
Oh.
Yeah, so there's no card trick for this one, so just, like, do your thing.
Alright.
Okay. You can do this. And shiny. Well, you can't get. I'm tripping. Okay.
Well, this looks all the same. Pikachu, Tangela.
Ninetales hollows. That's aight, but you know.
We're doing a speed run here.
Yeah, those hollows aren't really worth shit anyway. So yeah, okay. Well, we're ending it off with some dog shit. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. It's
What's your name again?
It's been Brandino and Jojo-kun.
Jinx.
And we got a full art and like 3 hollows, so rest in peace. We did get something, but yikes, oh god. And we out of here. Peace.
Peace.